guys, morning. Gearhead Garage here. We're at the Imola Motorsports facility today for their open house. Looks like a huge crowd here today, so we'll take you around, show you some of the things that are happening, and see what's going on. I'm kind of panning around here so you can kind of get an idea of what's happening. A lot of cars here, tons of cars. I haven't even gotten inside yet, so let's take a look inside and see what's going on. Starting off, we got this huge truck off to the side here that I think I've seen once before someplace, but it's a Super Duty Ford 6-door, looks like. More to come. The line of Porsches here lined up behind the in front of the Imola Sports Center here. Like I said, there's just a overflow of people here and an overflow of cars, so there's going to be a lot going on today.
Ferrari section, what I'm talking about. Make it easy for us.
Aston Martin, Lotus, Rolls Royce delivery for Domino's, it looks like. Kind of cute. Nice looking little Mini Cooper here. I kind of keep that in mind, seeing as how I drive one. Looks like a GP. Pretty good shape. It's got the little carbon fiber wing on it. I like that. Nice leather wrap steering wheel. Speedo. Nice big 160-mile-an-hour Speedo on it. That's good. Nice profile on the Mini. Right, if you like green, here's your Porsche. Nice GT3 RS. Everything's green. Brake calipers, interior. Green's your color. This is your car. Let's get the same amount of cars in the parking lot in these events as you do in the event itself. So a couple of nice GTRs here. Kind of roll on down through. Remember, this is just a parking lot. Beamer. I think from old Mustangs to coming up here on a pure hot rod. With a not a small block Chevy or an LS. Actual Ford motor. Love it.
Yes, it's still running.
Corvette. Old Corvette. Must be the Chevy lot here. .944 is parked in the line here. The second one here is caged up. Viper. got electric power here. Next to a Lamborghini and a Corvette. Nice gray looking Porsche here coming up. And I'm just actually walking back to my car, and these are the guys that have just parked in the street enjoying the show. New Jaguar. Guys are parked and leaving. Here on his way out. Looking good. And again, just walking back to my car and picking up whatever I can here on the way back. A nice looking Porsches came in. And the hits just keep on coming. Audi, Audi, Audi. Quattro's in line here. Notice a lot of cannonballers here, a lot of cannonball rally cars here today. And a Honda minivan, yeah.